Que le baje la cara. No se ve la cara. No se le ve la cara. Ahora.
This is a very strong message to all citizens of planet Earth that we can all contribute to help in our fight against global warming. For Fiji, the presidency advocates the Grand Coalition, and this is a perfect example of the Grand Coalition. It's people from all nationalities and people from the private sector, people from the NGOs. So they are all contributing towards the reduction in emission. So this is a very good message as we're preparing for the start of COP. This is something that we have stated in Fiji. I remember the closing address that I did during Hibiscus Festival and the Save the Earth Hour. That there are so many ways in which we can contribute. One is about walking to work or cycling to work, and again, this is why a lot of towns and cities are into cycling. In Germany, in Bonn particularly, there are spaces where bikes are available to the citizens. So this is a perfect example for us, which we can replicate back in Fiji, and that's all about the climate action agenda, how we can replicate and how we can scale up with such activities.